In the ever-evolving world of gaming, the boundary between console-quality performance and portability continues to blur. This transformation is now accelerating with the impending arrival of a new powerhouse in the handheld space, a device that might just redefine what portable gaming can look and feel like. Enter the next generation ROG Ally 2. A handheld that promises to build upon its predecessor's legacy while offering significant enhancements across the board. If you're familiar with the landscape of handheld gaming, you know that competition is heating up. From Valve's Steam Deck to the Ioneo series, the demand for high-performance, pocket-sized gaming PCs is stronger than ever. Now, the ROG Ally 2 is poised to shake things up yet again, offering two distinct models tailored for both hardcore gamers and those seeking more casual, accessible experiences, a generational leap. Not just in iteration, the original ROG Ally gained praise for being one of the few devices that managed to pack impressive hardware, specifically the AMD Z2 Extreme APU, to a compact, ergonomic chassis. While the later release of the ROG Ally X introduced enhancements in battery capacity, RAM, and storage, many felt it was more of a refinement than a revolution. But the ROG Ally 2, that's a different story. This is no mid-cycle refresh. This is a full-blown overhaul, featuring a fresh architectural design and significant hardware changes that could take the handheld experience to the next level. Two models. Two of the most interesting decisions made for this release is the dual model strategy. Instead of going for a one-size-fits-all approach, the manufacturer is clearly segmenting its audience with two distinct offerings. A budget-friendly white model, a premium black model, each caters to different types of gamers, balancing affordability. With PowerDot, the white variant, accessible, streamlined, smart. Let's start with the more accessible version. This model appears to be designed with cost-conscious users in mind. It's powered by the AMD Z1 processor, a slightly scaled-down version of the Z1 Extreme. While it doesn't pack the same performance punch, this APU is still a competent chip, more than capable of running a broad library of games including indie titles, retro emulators, and even modern releases at tweaked settings. This model aims to be a gateway device for those new to handheld, PCs, or casual gamers who prefer portability. Without breaking the bank, it sacrifices some of the horsepower, but retains much of the usability and charm. In many ways, this is comparable to devices like the Lenovo Legion Go Lite, which also uses similar internals to great effect. For someone who wants a flexible device to enjoy mainstream titles like Stardew Valley, Hades, Rocket League, or even Cyberpunk 2077 on lower settings, this is more than enough. The black variant, built for the hardcore. Now, onto the heavy hitter. The black model of the ROG Ally 2 is where things get truly exciting. This premium version reportedly houses the AMD Z2 Extreme APU, leveraging Zen 5 architecture, a leap forward in both performance and power efficiency. If early benchmarks and insider information hold true, we could see performance gains in the realm of 15 to 20% over its predecessor. For gamers looking to play demanding AAA games like Elden Ring, Baldur's Gate 3, or Starfield without compromising on visual quality or frame rate, this version aims to deliver console-level performance in your hands. Design revolution. Ergonomics first. One of the most noticeable upgrades is the completely reimagined physical design. Gone is the sleek but flat profile of the previous generation. In its place is a more robust, controller-inspired body offering curved grips, weight distribution adjustments, and a form factor that echoes the nostalgia of older games, such as those from the Nintendo 64 era. Why is this important? Because extended gaming sessions demand comfort. Many handhelds falter when it comes to ergonomics, causing fatigue or awkward grip positions. This redesign tackles that head-on, even though the shape has changed significantly. The 7-inch display remains a smart choice that retains portability without compromising screen real estate. It strikes a balance that makes it more travel-friendly than larger handhelds like the Steam Deck or Ioneo Kun, while still offering an immersive experience. Internals that impress. Looking deeper under the hood of the black model, you'll find hardware that starts to resemble a compact gaming laptop more than a handheld. RAM and storage. It boasts up to 32 GB of LPDDR5 memory, which is not just high for a handheld, but high even by Ultrabook standards. That kind of RAM allows seamless multitasking, quick asset loading, and more breathing room for resource-hungry games or software. And storage options up to 4 TB are being hinted at. This is a huge deal for gamers who like to keep their entire library offline. No more worrying about juggling downloads or running out of space after installing 3 100GB games. Fast charging and battery improvements. Battery life is another area where big strides are being made. While the exact capacity isn't confirmed, what's been leaked is even more tantalizing. Support for 100W fast charging. That kind of charging speed is a game changer, literally for mobile gamers who don't want to wait around between sessions. Imagine plugging in for just 15 to 20 minutes and gaining hours of playtime. This reduces downtime significantly and aligns with the needs of people gaming on the go and commutes, at airports, or just between classes. Xbox integration. A game-changing possibility. Perhaps the most eyebrow-raising rumor so far involves a dedicated Xbox button spotted on leaked photos of the device. This raises the very real possibility of a strategic partnership with Microsoft. While Windows 11 remains the operating system of choice, its interface hasn't always been the most intuitive for handheld users. Steam OS has gained favor for offering a clean, console-like experience. However, a Windows layer that mimics Xbox's dashboard, complete with Game Pass integration, Xbox Cloud gaming access, and a controller-first UI, could be a huge win. This would turn the Ally 2 into a near-native Xbox handheld console, rivaling even what Microsoft themselves have teased in terms of hardware strategy. Imagine launching your Xbox library, picking up from your save in Halo Infinite or Forza Horizon 5, and enjoying seamless transitions between PC and handheld play, all with one ecosystem. That's where this could be headed. Redefining portable power. This isn't just a handheld that tries to keep up with laptops, it's one that tries to outshine them in many ways. The Black model, with its combination of a cutting-edge processor, generous RAM, enormous storage, and console-style design, aims to deliver desktop-caliber performance without chaining you to a desk. Even if you're a streamer or content creator on the move, this could become a viable on-the-go editing and gaming tool. Paired with external accessories, it could serve double duty as a mobile workstation or entertainment hub, casual and core. A device for every gamer. The choice between the white and black models provides flexibility that's missing from many competitors. It acknowledges that not everyone needs to play Cyberpunk 2077 on ultra settings. Some people just want to jump into Minecraft, Among Us, or Hollow Knight with their friends and do it without spending $800 plus. By offering two models, the manufacturer is democratizing handheld gaming, making it more accessible while still pushing the envelope for enthusiasts.